Chairman of the Conference of Churches, Reverend Osber James, says complaints stem from various parishes within the state, especially from church members in St. Andrews and most recently Lothers Lane, St. George's. The issue, he says, is now being termed by parishioners as unbearable.
Only recently, a resident of the Lotus Lane area said, "I needed to talk with you." This is an elderly person. Says, "We have been plagued by the noise that is coming from this particular resident in the area." And I was aware of it because I had visited that house the evening before, and just after 7 the noise had started. Some of the people in there are members of my congregation who were planning to be in church the next day, and when I didn't see them and inquire, they said they were not able to go to sleep until about after 3 in the morning. I was also told that there are a number of persons over the age of 80 in that community.
The Noise Control Act came into effect on September 1st, 2006. The purpose of the act is to address the problem being faced by residents about the level of noise emanating from nearby houses or nightclubs. The Ministry of Health recently also expressed concern, citing an occupational health aspect of noise and the kind of effect and impact that noise can have on human beings. Research indicates that exposure to noise levels higher than 90 decibels for an hour or more can result in hearing loss. Reverend James says what is needed is legislation enforcement.
I was told by one police person when I mentioned the fact that some of the church people have been saying, or some community people have been saying, you call the police, they come. The noise is lowered, but as soon as the police goes back, the person raises the noise again. And what that police constable or officer said was that the police should know that if that continues, you can confiscate the equipment. And so something needs to be done. It really, really is a problem. People are sometimes not able to worship properly in community. It happens sometimes around Carnival. It happens around Easter. And so I just wanted to let the community know and the public know that their voices are not going unheard.
The Conference of Churches chairman says he would be supportive of initiatives to start petitions.
If a number of people were to come together, and if people from communities all over Grenada were to sign petitions and take it to the Minister of National Security or whomever, maybe something will be done.
Eugenia Peters, GBN News.